fuck is you at? Hey, come make a pass. Come make a shakedown. Hey. Every time they put it in drive, it goes dead. If this is my uncle, he would have revved the shit out of it. Cleared that carburetor out. Okay, we got it now. Third time is a charm.
Said don't be do no better than 7.2. I
told him let's do it on the trailer. Now he can mad.
Yeah, that's it. I got 500 on it. I don't give a damn who drives.
What'd you say, Gerald?
The ball on that motherfucker ain't gonna make no difference.
Boy, that dude said put some water down. Gerald said, man, you can put some oil on that motherfucker. It ain't gonna make no difference. Boy, now that's something to make me laugh, boy. Oh, God damn. Let me get out the damn way.
Watch out, man. Watch out. Look out, man.
I'm trying to. God damn. They must have turned the fan on. I was thinking I was having problems. He up there with me.
That Wayne drive. That Wayne drive.
Oh shit. Oh, that's who they had in there. And that's why he couldn't get the damn thing.
Let me talk.
Okay, he finna show y'all how to do it, y'all. He know how to drive it. He finna show y'all what to do. Oh.
I don't tell you. The what's
made a pass. Yeah. Driver mod. Damn, I like the way this thing been camming lately. They done bought a cam for somebody, bad motherfucker. This thing here spitting it out. They done bought something. Somebody said same. Hey, look out. You ready to see some good racing? Sure. Okay, she ready, y'all. She on my YouTube channel, y'all. She been subscribed for a minute. Yeah, she subscribed. Yeah, my boy right here, but I like that cam. Well, the odds is against left lane, but that's my boy. I gotta get some more cars in my pocket. Oh, I had another charger in my backpack anyway. I would almost. I got a couple more cars with me. For my people that's